If you're seeing the dreaded something went wrong message or an endless error loop on X, formerly Twitter, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it step by step on your PC. This is one of the most common browser issues people run into, and the good news is that in most cases, it can be solved quickly without any advanced troubleshooting. Whether the page won't load, keeps refreshing, or just throws an error every time you open it, these fixes can help you get back in. And before we start, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. It really helps the channel grow, and I appreciate it a lot. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you should try is a hard refresh. Sometimes the page is simply loading broken temporary data, and the forced refresh can clear that up immediately. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and F5 at the same time. This tells your browser to reload the page more aggressively and fetch a fresh version instead of using stored data. If the page opens properly after that, great, you've already solved the problem. But if the error still appears, don't worry, because the next step is usually the real fix. Now we're going to clear the specific cookies for X or Twitter. Corrupted site cookies are one of the biggest reasons this error happens. First, open X or Twitter in your browser. Then look at the address bar and click the padlock icon to the left of the website name. From there, choose Cookies or Site Settings, depending on your browser. You should see a list of saved site data. Look for twitter.com or x.com, then click the trash icon or remove button to delete those cookies. Once that's done, click Done and reload the page. This often fixes login issues, broken loops, and pages that refuse to load properly. If that still doesn't solve it, the next thing to do is clear your browser cache. Cached files are meant to help pages load faster, but when they become outdated or corrupted, they can actually cause web errors. In Google Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. Set the time range to all time, then make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are checked. After that, click Clear Data. If you're using Microsoft Edge or Firefox, the same shortcut works there too, and the menus are very similar. Once the cache is cleared, close and reopen the browser, then try loading X again. Next, check your extensions and privacy tools. Sometimes ad blockers, VPNs, script blockers, or strict tracking protection can block the parts of X that need to load correctly. If you have any extensions running, temporarily disable them and refresh the page. If the site works after turning them off, then you found the issue. You can turn them back on one by one later to figure out which one caused the problem. If you're using Microsoft Edge, there's also an extra privacy setting you should check. Click the padlock icon in the address bar and look for tracking prevention for this site. If it's set too strictly, toggle it off or loosen the setting, then reload the page. In many cases, that alone can stop the error loop. If none of those fixes work, the issue may not be on your computer at all. Sometimes X has a temporary outage, a server problem, or maintenance that affects lots of users at once. At that point, check a service like Down Detector to see whether other people are reporting the same problem. If the reports are spiking, then the best move is usually just to wait it out while the platform fixes things on their end. So to recap, first try a hard refresh with Ctrl plus F5, then clear the cookies for twitter.com or x.com, then clear your browser cache, and finally check extensions, VPNs, and tracking prevention settings. In most cases, one of those steps will fix the page right away. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing how to fix X login problems on mobile or how to solve the app ARP not loading on Android and iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.